we will continue and start to sponsor. So there is a Russian Smalltalk user group. We started to sponsor a bit, and we will increase that. Smalltalk 2010, the smalltalk.cat or /es. Because personally, I would prefer ES, but okay, let's start small. And this is the open source conference development at Paris. This is a conference where there were Ruby people, Perl people, and Python. And we asked to be in. So we sponsored them the first year, and now we are co-organizer. And a small conference in France. So if you know conferences where you want to participate, get exposure, or things like that, we can also do that. I will come back later on that. So we have a student volunteer program. So where are the guys with the red hat? I'm not sure that you all have them on your head. Huh? I know some of you that don't have it. Wait, that's a state of mind. Huh? So these students, they got a free entrance for the conference, they got a free hosting, they got access to a conference. Where is Valeria? It's okay, Valeria. So Valeria is learning Smalltalk. So what we will do is that we will do pair programming, and I need some candidates. I would like to do pair programming with her and test first. She has a traffic light exercise to do. And I said, okay, yesterday we started to program together, and I think that I need some people to help. So like that, what we could do, we could specify the test, and then she implement the stuff, and then we discuss. I think that that would be really cool to do that. So let's go back to that. The people with the red hat, they should be ready to help you. Huh? So this means that if you have any problem, you grab anyone, and normally they should have it on, and not just when this is my turn. You know, no, that's not my turn today. Sorry, ask the guy there. A state of mind, huh, gentlemen. So, and that's really important. So over the years, we got really a lot of students, and we really, really like the student volunteer program. This is really fun. So Marcus did some retro collection. So we have all the slides of the previous conference. So you should really give. So normally the student volunteer should really ask you, chase you if you don't give your PowerPoint presentation or PDF. You should give that. Like that we build the archive. And probably at the end of the conference we have a new list of actions that we will put in place, and we want to build a big archive system for all the Smalltalk system. And we will see that. We sponsor. So the title is a bit misleading because he's sponsoring accessible books. In fact, we sponsor most of the time open source book or free access books. And the one of Andres is not really free access, so we should negotiate with him a bit. We should work a bit. But we really want to push new books. So if you want to write a book, do it. There is another one that we are negotiating. This is a new book on GNU Smalltalk. And we are trying the guy to really make the book a bit better. So I hope that we will get there. There is a seaside hosting. So this means that you could deploy your application, but not really make business with that. So we are trying to see if we don't have other options. So we will see maybe by the end of the week we will have announcement, and I know that there will be other announcement probably on that kind of topic. And here I want to show you some. We sponsor teaching, for example. If you want to go to teach Smalltalk somewhere, you can ask. So we sponsor lecture in Romania, in Torino, Barcelona, book scanning. If you want to present Smalltalk into a conference, you just send a budget. You said, I want to do that. That costs that. And we decide. That's really easy. So we sponsor, for example, presentation at the Chaos Computer Club, Faro Sprint, all kinds of things. We also manage the money of the Squeak Foundation since 2004. And maybe one day we will have to ask them to do it. So you see, the key point, this is that if you have an idea, you send it to us. At the maximum, we say no. And normally we are open to crazy stuff and we react fast. So for ESUG 2011, if you want, or 2012, if you want to organize or you think that you could organize, just come and talk to us. If you have ideas, suggestions, for example, last year somebody said, oh, you know what would be cool is that the awards, they would be in video. So now you said, okay, for the awards, you should submit a video. Like that we put them on YouTube and we make noise. And so we are really interested by your ideas because we don't have the monopoly. So ESUG, now the conference, this year. The real important stuff, Wi-Fi and coffee. I know I have been to really conference where the Wi-Fi was not working, and a guy told me, come on, a conference, this is Wi-Fi, coffee, and the rest is a bonus. Yes, so we have already that. So that's the password and the login and the password. The coffee break will be in that direction. The lunch will be in that direction too. So we will have, normally, Jordi told me, but that I believe him, some good lunches. And we will have a video streaming. So some data, we are 140 participants, there are 24 student volunteers, and this year we said, okay, we have 10 free entrance tickets. And I think that that's also something that we really like because we want that people get access to the community, and we prefer somebody that does not pay that come, than somebody that does not pay and then does not come. So, and we will continue these kinds of things. So there are 42 talks, one international workshop, Wolfpack programming. I have no idea what is it. We will see. Agile Day. So I hope that we will really get something fun there. We tried to attract some big names that are back in Smalltalk, but they were busy that week. So for next year, I will have to book directly that day. We will do that. There will be some secret talks. I will not tell you what is it. Some people tried already, but I will not talk. And there will be a license panel. We will have a lawyer. So we will have a lawyer that is coming. So prepare all the crazy questions that you have about this plague. And license, we should control that well because that can be really, really making our life terrible. So I know I got burned by that. So, and we will be able to ask any question to this guy. And I think that that's a really, really cool idea. We have the Tech Awards. So how does it work? People submitted projects, and they will have 2 hours, 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. That will be crazy anyway in this room. And they will present you their cool stuff, and you will vote. And it has an impact, I can tell you. So after we will put the nice logo of the winners and things like that. And for example, the people in the PhD defense of Hilaire this year were really impressed that he was the first, and they said, oh yes, and he even got a prize, and oh. So that was fun. So, and then you vote. That's really easy. Just something for you. This is participate to the event. This is really fun. Last year there was Mario Bros emulator for 64 Commodore 64 emulator, and it was great. You get to see this stuff running in VisualWorks. And that's why we said, okay, we want video of that now. But participate, don't limit yourself and say, no, my stuff is not ready, is not too blah blah, is not blah blah, because we can all die like that, you know. If nobody send anything, then we are a dead community. While we are doing all kinds of stuff, you send that, and that does not have to be perfect. And you take the risk. So be bold, wild, and cool. Send something for and also to show to the world after you'll be on YouTube. So I'm not sure that that's good, but the book award. So what we decided this year, we said, okay, we should auto-acclaim our own community. That's really important. We should, as a community, say, this stuff is good. Because this is not the world that will come and say, oh, really crazy small community, they are writing books, oh, they look nice. No, that does not work like that. This is always the same everywhere. So you can go to this link, and then you vote. Maybe you read the book, maybe you read some of them, I read them all. So, and I wrote some of them. But that's not the point. This is, let's make sure that we value what the people are doing, and then this is not really for the people, this is really for the outside. Because we need more books, so we limit it to 6 years because we said like that. We don't want to say, oh, you know, in Smalltalk there is a guy that won a book in 2010, and it was a book of 1980. Oh, I was there. That's enough, huh? That's enough. Smalltalk, that's the future, that's not the past, huh? So we said, okay, let's take something that people can apply several times with the book, and that we don't give awards to books that are old, because we are a cool community, so that can't be otherwise. Talking about books, there will be a book signature, so Lucas should listen a bit because he does not know what I put on the slide. So we have this book. It's a special edition. You don't really see it well, but I can tell you that's a really, really special edition. Yeah, but those ones are the Barcelona edition, I can tell you. Huh? So we will sign the book with Lucas on the cover. There are 20 of them, and there will be not one more. Huh? So that will be a really special edition. There is one for me, so there is 19, in fact. Huh? And we sell them 18 euro instead of 28. And yes, you can come and get signed. So I don't know when we will do that. So that will be announced. So a personal announce for Lucas. So Lucas is looking for a job in Switzerland. Huh? Better in the East Switzerland. Hey, no, but come on. If as a community we can let a smart guy go to work for somebody else, so you should talk to Lucas. Maybe you can find a trick so that he can work at home nicely. And you know, there is all kinds of possibility in this world. And so he was not aware of that. Huh? So now, during the awards, there will be the Visual Age party, or they change all the time names, so I get confused and I'm getting old, so I forgot. So Instanciation party. And that will be fun. Last year it was fun. There was bio beer, and this year there will be all kinds of things to. Apparently there is a surprise, and we don't really know what is it. Huh? So we will try with you. We should pay attention to not mess up this room, because you will be able to drink food there. You should vote, and let people really tell us what they did in this room, but pay attention because that's a nice room. There is a show us your project session. So this means that if you said, oh, gee, I have something cool to say or to show, you register. So I need a student volunteer for that. Nick, okay. So Nick there can collect the, shake your hands, Nick, okay. That's a new Smalltalker too. Huh? Since 2 days? 2 months. 2 months. Okay. So you have 10 minutes. You show your stuff. We upload, and that's cool. Huh? No, that's what we did last time, no? Yeah, so. For the social event, so this is Wednesday, so maybe Wednesday morning we will do a small announcement. I didn't synchronize very well with Jordi. We will go to Cosmo Cascia. The buses leave here at 4. No, there are 2 buses, so don't miss them. And what we will do, we will go there. This is a science center. You can visit it. After, there will be the secret talks, plus the result of the award ceremony. And then after we will have a party there. So that will be cool. And this is a social event where we will be not fixed on a table, because I don't know you, but sometimes I go to conference. You have 10 places to sit, and you said, shit, I sat on the wrong place for the complete evening. So he said, you know, once I sat on the table with a guy that told me that small talk has no syntax, another one that told me that it's better to have n colon that period. I was like, oh God. So yes, you see those kinds of things. So yes, that would be completely freestyle. And like that, when you get bored by a conversation, you go to the next one. If you have problems or questions, you just ask the student volunteer. They are happy, open, positive, you know? Not me. I don't know, in fact. Yeah, no, I am happy and positive, but I don't know. You know, so. Okay, I guess that's it. So again, I really want to thank the sponsor. I want to thank you to be here, because when you pay your fee, you give us your trust. And that's really important. This is not just, you know, we are in this society where you pay stuff, devices, all kinds of gadgets. That's not the same here. This is really important. You are enabler of something. So thanks a lot. And did I forget something? Public exchange? I guess that I didn't forget anything. So if you have questions, no? The coffee break is ready? We can do the coffee break now. Always a bit short, fast. Okay. So the coffee break should be ready now. The next two speakers, if you can come like that, we check the video. Huh? So the next session will be. Oh yes, I forgot something. There is Smalltalk solution at Las Vegas, March 13 to 16 in 2001. So I just got that. 11. Okay, 11. So yeah. Yeah, I'm good at that. So think about that. Huh?
Yeah. Please, the coffee break is not ready yet. Just if you can wait 5 minutes, it will be right. Yeah.